good people, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing Sunday. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I am going to be giving my front porch area a winter refresh. So I'm basically going to be just kind of cleaning the area, and then I'm going to be decorating it for winter. So typically, just like in the inside of my home, whatever decorations I used for the winter, I'll leave those up until I get ready to decorate for spring, which is typically about the second or third week in February. All right, you guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey, you guys, so you will not believe my luck. So I am at my local Lowe's store and just basically shopping around for some items to decorate my front porch for the winter. Y'all, look at this. So y'all, as it turns out, they are about to dispose of all of these trees. Oh my goodness. Wreaths, garlands, you name it. So the manager said I can go ahead and take whatever I wanted. Y'all, how fantastic is that? So y'all know what I did, right? I digged through the bunch, found me a couple of nice wreaths. I'm just gonna remove the little ornaments, y'all. And look at this, y'all. We got some garlands. Now, granted, some of them are a little brown, but I like that because I like the change in colors. But look at this, you guys. So I'm gonna use this, and y'all, I didn't have to spend a dime. God is so good. So I got two of these. If I wanted a tree, I can get a tree too, but I don't think I'm gonna need all that. But I think I am gonna dig through it a little bit more just to kind of see what else I can find. But how amazing. All of my winter decor right at my fingertips. Zero cost. Yes, 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 and yes. All right, you guys, so here's a quick look at the space I'm going to be decorating in today's video. So I'm basically going to be giving my front porch a winter refresh. I'm going to start with cleaning the space first because I haven't cleaned my front door area since I added my Christmas decoration. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. So these are the pots I'm actually going to be using to decorate my front porch area. As you guys can see, they're a little on the dirty side. So I'm just hosing them down right quickly and just, rinsing off all the dirt, the debris, so I can get them prepped to actually be decorated. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and just kind of walk through the yard and find some, some branches and things like that to use as fillers in my pot, because I'm not really trying to, go out and buy anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and start clipping some of these branches, and I'm going to use all of these items in my decor. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with clipping down some of these branches here to use in my decor. And I actually ended up clipping a lot more than what I actually needed, but at some point I'm going to end up having to clip all of these branches down anyway for winter. I always like to clip these trees down really, really low, and that way they come back really, really nice and beautiful in the spring. So yeah. So behind me is a look at the other tree that I'm going to be clipping some branches from. And I like this particular tree because the color of the branches are like a really, really light color. And so that'll, kind of, blend well with the dark colors and then the greenery. So I'm going to go ahead and get to clipping some of these branches. All right, you guys, so here's another quick look at the items I was able to get from Lowe's completely free of charge. And so basically what I'm doing here is just removing these ornaments from the wreath. I am going to keep the pine cones on here because I think that's definitely relevant for winter. All right, you guys, so as you can see here, I cut down this little tree here just to kind of add as a filler in my pot. And I absolutely love the colors of this. Not sure if you can see this, but it has like some little burgundy colors on the ends of the leaves. I think this is beautiful. And so I actually added some soil to the pot because I want to make sure that this plant stays green the entire winter. And I'm actually going to have to come out and, you know, just kind of keep it watered and everything. And that's perfectly fine because I want to make sure, because I'm using live plants in this decor, that everything remains green throughout the entire winter. All right, you guys, so I'm about to make a quick little easy DIY bow. And as you can see, I'm using this cute little plaid ribbon that has the cute little snowflakes on it. And it's like a black and beige color. So now the little tie that I'm using to secure the bow, of course, is green. I couldn't find a black one, but that's okay because I'm going to actually hang these over the light fixtures so you won't see the little tie anyway. So right quickly, you guys, I do want to point out that because I'm using like, you know, real pine, real trees, real branches, all of that good stuff, I am going to have to keep it watered. Okay, so just like how you would do a Christmas tree, a live Christmas tree, you know, keep it watered, keep it moist. So I'm going to just have to come out every day or every other day and just kind of give it a nice spray down. And then that's going to help keep it green all winter long. And I don't mind actually the changing of colors with the pine as they start to, you know, turn a little brown or whatever, but I am going to keep it watered. So just wanted to point that out, you guys, because I'm not using any faux plants or anything. So just wanted to, you know, make sure I mentioned that. All right, y'all, so let's take one last look at what the space used to look like before we did the winter refresh. so much for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.